Well, feeding grain. Chores are done pretty much. We got to do the chicken. Cattle are all eating their grain. Got the hay pushed up. I better go shut off some water. We're watering calves. Filling up their water. No, Brinley. Supposed to get some rain. And it's windy out there. That's for sure. Probably can't tell now, but she's something's brewing up. Hopefully we get some rain because we need it. The plan is tomorrow to, if it doesn't rain much tomorrow, go and cut that. Start cutting hay tomorrow night after work, but I'd rather have the rain and start cutting Wednesday night. So, but it's windy out. Something's brewing up. Let's shut the door, Bryn. So, filling water. We got to feed chickens yet. Not a whole lot gonna get done today, I don't think. It's about 5:30. Just got kind of home from work. 5:30, 5:45, I think. I don't think I've ever showed you guys before. This is the grain that I mix up for them. I like this stuff. It's a little coarser here. I got International grinder mixer. What's the matter, Brent? And that's just ground corn and soybean meal. That's ground corn and soy and minerals put in. I was feeding whole corn and pellets, but I switched just recently over to this ground corn and soy and mineral. I mixed it up myself. I got the corn here and feeding some second cutting to them. You can see in there I got to get barn cleaned, but which it's been needing to get done. I don't know if I've showed you much. Cow calf here. That calf's gonna get pulled off for really any time, possibly even tonight. I'll do it probably once I clean these guys out, so it'll probably be a lot more like this weekend or sometime this week after work when I clean barn. Calf's gonna get pulled off. This cow was kept from when I had my cows. The guy that bought my cows didn't want her. She's got a bad hoof on her, and she's been nursing a calf, so you can see she's thinned down. She's actually she's gonna get called out. It's the last cow I have here on the farm, so I knew she was pregnant. I let her calf out and let her raise her calf. And, so pretty much it. We got hopefully some rain coming, and that's basically all we're doing tonight is chores. I might try and get the yard mowed. Try and mow the yard maybe. Alright, I got a few odds and ends to do, but that's about it. Maybe take advantage of it and sit down and eat dinner with the family. So hopefully I cut some hay tomorrow night if we don't get too much rain, which if not, Wednesday night I'll be cutting, so I'll make a video. So alright, well, we'll talk to you guys later. Well, I've been crying for it. I figure I better make a video and show you that we're getting it. You probably can't see it, but you can probably hear it on the poop barn. We're getting rain. Thank goodness. Now, I know I was crying about it quite a bit, and we needed it. It was dry. Don't get me wrong. But I just want to say we weren't as bad off as other places. We were getting to the point where it would be nice to get some rain. I mean, crops weren't burning up yet, but they were definitely starting to curl. There's definitely a lot of places a lot worse off than we are, whether it be they're too wet. I know this spring there's a lot of that, or even too dry, which, I mean, that's where we were in. We were too wet this spring, and she started getting too dry right now. They say, I've heard anywhere from a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of rain we're supposed to get. I hope it's upwards of a 1/2 inch. Be nice if it was a rain like this all night. Even all day tomorrow wouldn't hurt my feelings. But I just wanted to let you guys know that we're getting rain, but I didn't want you to think I was whining and crying, because there's definitely a lot of people worse off than we were. At least we got a crop to take off and got our crops in too. I got plenty of feed, so can't complain too much, but just happy we're getting rain, and figured I'd make a video and show you that. So alrighty, well, we'll talk to you guys later.